Okay, it's time to do the drawing or random picking for the cute, adorable rolling pin. Yay! Okay, no, this is always a struggle. Like I've never done it before. Whoa! There it is. That fast. Okay, get the comments. Do 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 do. I bet you didn't know you were going to be entertained by music. This is Pokey. What is the deal? I don't have anything running on the computer. There we go. And the winner is Ginger at Ginger's Corner. All right, Ginger, you know where to find me. Thanks for playing, you guys. My next, I did the hearts, was that yesterday? It's been a long 2 days. I'll be doing that drawing in about 2 weeks. So I'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.